5:38 Mountain Standard Time, 7:38 Eastern Time, January 22nd, 2024. Current weather conditions across Canada. Vancouver 7, Calgary minus 13, some snow, and Regina as well. Toronto, Ottawa, Montreal. Toronto could see maybe 15 centimeters of snow. I'm not going to rule that out, with a couple systems moving in. And plus freezing rain for Cornwall, Ottawa, Montreal. Main concern for Thursday. Welcome to Love Weather Canada. I'm Justin McBrien. So let's get to it. Weather across Canada. And Vancouver, several days of rain. Calgary minus 14 right now. Temperatures are climbing quick. Look at that. Plus 6 tomorrow afternoon. And there is some pipelines breaking up because it's been so cold and now temperatures are warming up fast. So it's a big temperature difference between 2 weeks ago and now. Temperatures are rising quick. Minus 11 right now in Edmonton. Minus 9 tomorrow. Minus 5 on Wednesday. Time we get to Thursday. Plus 1. Let's go to Yellowknife. Cold. Always like to check in up there in the north. We can't forget about them, right? They're always freezing, but they're used to it. A little bit of warm up when we get close to February, though. Medicine Hat, warm temperatures. Look at that, plus 3 as well. For a couple days, then we go to Winnipeg. Tomorrow, minus 3, overcast. Risk of some precipitation, 30%. Plus 1, nothing much happened. The big story is this. We got freezing rain, snow, couple systems moving in. This is going to be a messy week, starting at the beginning of this week. Just a little bit of freezing rain on contact on the cement. Not good for roads. It's very dangerous. 2 to 5 centimeters today, and another 2 to 5 centimeters tomorrow. So Toronto could see probably 10 centimeters of snow, then changing to rain. Let's look at Futurecast. So nothing much happening at 10 o'clock. Then clearing up. Then at 9 a.m., what is it, tomorrow, Tuesday? Yeah, 9 a.m. Tuesday. That's when the snow starts to move in after morning rush hour. Just a little bit of snow, but at 3 p.m., afternoon rush hour, that's when it picks up heavy at times, the snow in Toronto, and another 2 to 5 centimeters of snow there. We zoom out, also Richmond, Barrie, Ontario, London as well. A little bit of rain in London and snow because it's at the 0 mark. Here is the main concern. Look at this. Wednesday evening. Turn freezing rain overnight. Freezing rain. And it continues Thursday morning. 2 to 5 millimeters of freezing rain. And that's not good. That's a lot of freezing rain. Okay. For slippery roads. So I think for some areas of Ontario and Quebec, schools will be closed. Hear it from me first. Schools will be closed. If I'm wrong, I guess I'm not saying guaranteed, but it's a very bad situation if that happens, right? So here is the future radar. Right now, this is tomorrow. So this is Wednesday. So Wednesday, overcast, right? For the most of the day. Then this little bit of snow, then it turns to freezing rain. Nothing much happening. Another system moves in. So that's system 1. System 2 comes at midnight on Wednesday night. And system 2 looks like a lot of freezing rain. That's in the pink. You see that? That is freezing rain on the roadways. Now let's go back. Look at that. 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m., 5 a.m., 7 a.m. So we got a few hours of freezing rain overnight into morning. And morning rush hour, not going to be good. Give yourself extra time. Also, let's check the Montreal forecast. A lot of details today, so let's move on. So this is Wednesday. Wednesday overcast, right? For Montreal, it hits a little later on, so we got the freezing rain. That's round 1. Then round 1, it clears up. Then Ottawa. That's when it starts at midnight in Ottawa, right? So now we're going to go to round 2. And round 2, midnight. And look at that. Dark. Look at this. This is heavy freezing rain. So you could get some heavy freezing rain at times. For a few hours straight. Also, other areas. Here it is. Now the forecast has changed. Like, okay, so now they said freezing rain just for the morning. Now it's updated. This just updated as I'm talking. Afternoon, continue freezing rain. So I don't know, guys. Looks like there's no school at this point in time. Because look, temperatures are hovering around around the freezing mark, right? So anything could happen. Quebec City, a little bit more hit and miss with this system. St. John's, Newfoundland, a little bit of trace of snow, windy conditions though. Look at the winds, 70 kilometers per hour, and 50 kilometers from the west, gusts up to 70 kilometers per hour times. And then that's it. That's on Thursday. Halifax, nothing much happening. Thursday, 1 to 2 centimeters. Then rain, 5 to 10 millimeters. The rain, winds are from the gusts up to 55 kilometers per hour time from the northeast. Fredericton, New Brunswick, keep an eye on the storm for next week. Same system that's moving through Ontario, Quebec is going to New Brunswick, Fredericton. Halifax, Thursday, 1 to 2 centimeters, 5 to 10 millimeters on Friday. Charlottetown, PEI, tomorrow, windy conditions, 60 kilometers, -7, and keep an eye on the storm system.